Top 10 Herbs for Lung Health. Clearing mucus. The lungs and respiratory system allow us to breathe. They bring oxygen into our bodies, called inspiration, or inhalation, and send carbon dioxide out, called expiration, or exhalation. Promoting lung health and clearing mucus can be supported by incorporating certain herbs into your routine. While it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen, here are 10 herbs commonly recognized for their potential benefits for lung health and mucus clearance. Mullein. Traditionally used for respiratory issues, mullein is believed to have expectorant properties, helping to expel mucus from the lungs. Eucalyptus. Known for its strong aroma, eucalyptus leaves or oil can help clear congestion and support respiratory function. Licorice root. Licorice has been used in traditional medicine for its soothing properties and potential benefits for respiratory health. Thyme. Thyme has antispasmodic, mucus clearing, and antibacterial actions, and it is considered helpful in cases of bronchitis. Oregano. Rich in antioxidants, oregano has antimicrobial properties that may help fight respiratory infections and support overall lung health. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which can help relax the muscles in the respiratory tract, easing breathing and clearing mucus. Sage. Sage contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract and support respiratory health. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is believed to have soothing properties and may help relieve coughs and sore throats associated with respiratory conditions. Elderberry. Elderberry has a long history of traditional use for respiratory health. While elderberry may have immune-supportive benefits, its direct effects on lung health and mucus clearance. Osha root. Osha root is traditionally used by Native American tribes for respiratory conditions. It is believed to have expectorant properties that may help with mucus clearance. Remember, while these herbs have been traditionally used for respiratory support, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and support our channel, Miss Healthy.